Cipet Jee 2022 admit card hall ticket download here. Cipet Jee 2022 admit card will be released in June 2022. Candidates will get admit card only after their successful registration and fees submission. The Cipet Jee is university level entrance test organized by the Cipet. Through the test, candidates can get admission in the PG diploma courses in plastics testing and quality management, plastic processing and testing, plastic technology, and plastic mold design with CAD/CAM. In the article, we have provided the complete details related to Cipet Jee Admit Card 2022. Authority will release Cipet Jee 2022 admit card for every successful registered candidate. Cipet Jee 2022 admit card will be downloaded by the candidates through online mode. Candidates will have to log in into their candidate's dashboard to access their admit card. Candidates are advised not to forget their admit card on the exam day, as authority will not allow any candidates to sit in examination hall. The admit card also be required at the time of admission process, so candidates should keep their admit card till the admission process gets over. Cipet Jee 2022 admit card date. Candidates can check below the official dates of Cipet Jee 2022 admit card along with some important events like exam date and result declaration. Candidates should check all the dates carefully and follow their respective events for the exam. Events admit card release June 2022. Maybe the admit card will released before exam date, 7 days before exam date. I think Cipet Jee entrance examination in 19th June 2022. So you will get the admit card on 10 to 15 June. Declaration of result June 2022. How to download Cipet Jee admit card? Cipet Jee 2022 admit card will be downloaded by the candidate through online mode following the below steps. Visit the official website of Cipet. Link is given in the description box. A page of application login will be opened in new windows. Now candidates have to enter the details like birth date, mobile number, etc. in the required area. Submit the details field in details and click the submit button. The admit card will be displayed on the screen, after which candidates can download it. Also take a printout for your further admission process, and Cipet will send you the admit card through email address, so you can check your email address regularly in the June month. Okay, this is the video. Thank you. As you requested, I will make this video. Please like, comment and share our videos. Must subscribe the tech button, and thank you.